Okay. First of all, I thank Sister Debbie for this chance he gave me. My name is Tolsabamo IT Sardir. Uh, Today we will discuss about JDBC which is connected to database, how we connect uh, our JDBC on the my database. So first we download three API for this programming. The first my database. If you need MySQL or XAMPP, NetBeans and JDBC connector. So we will go to our programming. First, we running our server. Go to my server. My server. I download XAMPP. Okay, go to XAMPP. Admin. Let already I created my database and my table name. My database I created in the form of registration form and under registration form. My table name is Tolosa. Let's go to Tolosa. Okay. Under Tolosa, there is column. I record the ID, first name, last name, email, and age. So, if we go to browse under browse, my database is recorded, but now there is nothing in the browse. So, we create on the JDBC and record on my database. Let's go to NetBeans. This is my NetBeans. I created my NetBeans. My programming is JDBC form. Under JDBC form, I created class MySQL table display. So go to MySQL. This is my code. Now, first we start to running your program. We connect to our database and on the source code on the NetBeans. Let's go to connect then by MySQL connector. Let's go to library. Click on right click, add jar folder. Okay. Here is in my file. My SQL is saved on the desktop. So desktop here my connector, MySQL connector .j open. Already connected my database and JDBC. So let's see. Already we finished load the JDBC driver. Then second we will see establish connection. Establish connection. Establish connection. This is my record my source code. Let's go to see some about this source. Let's go to try under this number 226. This line establish the connection. Connection. My object connection is equal to driver manager dot get connection. This establish the statement. My object stmt connection dot get connection result set. Let now go to running my code and create save the create the record. Let's go to now. Let's go to my table name. My table name on the zombies Tolosa. So go to Tolosa. Okay. Let Tolosa come in here. Here under Tolosa there is nothing. So we go to create ID 14904 name. Let Tolosa last name Mammo email እሺ p at gmail.com age okay 23 let create okay Tolosa record created successfully. Okay. Here Tolosa under my table on database. Let's add another ID. Here first name Sanyi, last name Abbabe, email a at gmail.com age 22 create. Here Sanyi is record created successfully. Okay. Here Sanyi Tolosa and Tolosa the Sanyi is here successfully created and add another third person and we see here third person ID here first name Eddo Bariso, last name Bariso then email e at gmail.com here created Eddo. Okay, sorry, I forgot Eddo H. Let's add H is Eddo H 24 correct. Okay, Eddo is created successfully. Okay, here Sanyi Tolosa and Eddo. First name, last name, email, age. Let's go to update from these members. One, let's go to Sanyi updated. Let's on the search bar we go to created by his name Sanyi here Sanyi search here Sanyi is come. Okay, on Sanyi here Sanyi come. Let the first Sanyi age is 22. Let's go to 25 update Sanyi record updated successfully. Here age of Sanyi 25 but the first 22. Let's go to delete from this 1% or one student. Let I delete Eddo from this Eddo, click on Eddo, then delete. Okay, record successfully. Here only Sanyi and Tolosa are remained on this database. Let's go to see on my database. Go to on my database. Let's go to Zamb or there is my database name registration for. Okay, database name on my table name Tolosa. I created under Tolosa. Now first under my browser there is nothing or data not recorded on my database. Now here first Sanyi Abbabe email, second Tolosa Mamo already recorded on my database. Let's go to NetBean add 1% here first email here la first name Emmanuel Alamu email at a at gmail.com age 23. Let create. Then we go to my database. Then see under my browse on the my database. Create. here. First, two. Now, three members created on table. Go to my browse and update this browse here. Emmanuel added on the my database. If you need Emmanuel, we search by his name on JDBC and update delete this in this form. This is all my presentation how we connect JDBC with my database and how we record registration form on database and connect with JDBC. So today my presentation is this. I finished my presentation. Thank you for watching my presentation. I finished. Okay.